Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is one important announcement by CA Institute issued on 21st Jan 2021, my dear students. So candidates can bring to the notice of the examination department their observations, if any, on the question paper. So right now you are writing your CA examinations that are being conducted from January 2021 onwards. And if you find any objections in the question paper, then you can send an email to the institute mail ID examfeedback@ica.in, or else you can send by way of a letter, you can send by way of speed post at the following address so as to reach us latest by 10th February. So please keep in mind that such objections, such letter must reach the CA Institute on or before 10th February, then only they will consider. Don't forget to write your details such as your name, SR1 number, that is registration number, your exam admit card number, etc. so that they can also understand that you are a genuine candidate who has really appeared for the exam. So if you find any mistake in the question paper, you can immediately raise the issue to the CA Institute. And please don't be in a wrong notion that just by writing letter by me will CA Institute consider. Definitely they will consider. Even if it is one single complaint, they will consider. So what happens is, let us assume uh, you are able to identify a mistake in the question paper and the CA Institute also agrees the same. Then they will give corresponding instructions to the valuationist with respect to valuation of that question, my dear students. That's why if you feel that there is a mistake in the question paper, then immediately inform the same to the CA Institute. All the best, my dear.